Hello. Guess what I've got? I've got goodies in my package. Where the fuck's my knife, man? Slice this fucker out. Check this fucker out. Finally, I got a really good deal on eBay. Well, it's a really good deal. It's done like 150 mile. And we're gonna install this bad boy. Slicing. This video is dedicated to Martin, who is unfortunately a gypsy. May God rest his soul. There's another free bag, free bit of foam. There's something in Italian. I don't speak Italian. I don't speak pizza. Ooh. Oh, I thought he left his credit card in there, but no. There's a mid pipe. Oh, and here's the big boy. Oh, get it out. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, look at that angle. Oh. Get it out. There you go. How nice is that? Really good deal on it. Very little mileage. Oh, it smells like caramel and WD-40. So what I'm gonna do, well, look at that, just look at beautiful. So next up, install. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat all this in ACF 50, get it all nice and polished up, so that when it goes on the bike and the bits that I can't get into when I'm cleaning it, they'll be fine for the road. So ACF 50, anti-corrosion, layer it up, and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna install it. Thumbnail right there. Hello. Right, I'm gonna start taking this apart now. I'm gonna start taking the bike apart. Got all my tools, get on the floor, and I'm just gonna take the race off as well whilst I'm there, so I can actually change the brake as well whilst I'm at it. May as well. That was 2.1 kilo there. Yeah, 2.1 kilo, something like that. I'm gonna try another set of scales just for sanity. 4.4 pound. This only measures in pounds, by the way. That was 4.5 pound. That was. There you go. 4.5 pound. So there's a chunky bit of kit, that. Fucking heavy. And there we go underneath. Give it a quick clean whilst I've got access to it, like, but... Right, rainbow. Before it rains. There we go. Not tried it yet. Hopefully everything's in place. A bit of a fucking pig to do, to be honest. Like I said, now I've done this as well, everything should be a little bit better. So let's give it a bash. Right, so right, so you might be able to hear. Basically got it out the back. I've opened up the gate because the fumes. It's quite a small area, and it's coming straight into my gaff here. So I've let basically fumigate outside. You know, monoxide someone else up. But essentially, getting to the light here, you can see already it sounds fucking beast. Not too loud with the baffling, which is what I wanted. I don't like it too loud. I hate loud exhausts. They really do my fucking head in. But it sounds really good already. Fucking hell. There's seemingly no leaks underneath, anything like that. So I've basically just, we'll see how it does. What I'm going to do now is essentially what Triumph have told me to do, that Triumph Stafford have told me to do, is you wait for about 12 minutes or so, and you basically get it through its heat cycle. And essentially what happens now is, within about 12 minutes, the fans will kick in. And what it needs to do about 3 fan rotations before it's adapted. So basically, set the timer for about 20 minutes, essentially. So about 20 past, it's 8 o'clock now, about 20 past 8, we'll go back outside and it should be okay. That's what they've told me at least. If it's still running a bit shoddy, then take it in and they'll do like an ECU flash, but sounds amazing. Hopefully I don't run out of petrol. Apparently I've only got 2 miles of petrol left, so yeah, do some more videoing for you. I don't really want to break these. These are my brand new fucking scales, these. 14.1 pound. Reset. Oh, come on, you bastard. 14.1 pound. Oh, fucking hell. Bloody heavy, that. And on the scales we don't care about, it is 6.4 kilo. There you go. 6. Again, I can already feel the difference in weight just by moving the bike around, because this thing, which is, it's not a cat, believe it or not, that's just the silencer. That's just the end of the exhaust. That's heavy. That really is heavy. I'll weigh it in a bit, but basically we've lost a good few kilos on that. So hopefully that might be able to pick things up a little. So yeah, I can't wait to go out and ride the thing.